Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to send a package with UPS in the US, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your package by securely packing your items in a sturdy box. Step 2. Visit the UPS website or open the UPS app. Step 3. Enter the shipment details, including the destination address and package weight. Step 4. Choose your preferred shipping service based on speed and cost. Step 5. Pay for the shipment online and print your shipping label. Step 6. Attach the shipping label securely to your package. Step 7. Drop off your package at the nearest UPS store or schedule a pickup. Tip: double-check the address details to avoid delivery issues. That's it. You've successfully sent a package with UPS. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.